Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Tin Man on guitar full guide. Start by tuning to standard E and ensure your guitar is comfortable to hold. Focus on learning the main riff slowly with a metronome, then add chord shapes and strumming. Practice transitions one bar at a time and loop difficult measures until smooth. I'll guide you through tempo changes and simple embellishments to make the song sound polished and confident. We'll dive into the chord progression and the signature riff next. Start with open chord shapes, then add the riff pattern slowly, prioritizing clean notes and correct finger placement. Use a metronome and raise the tempo gradually in small steps so your muscles adapt without tension. I'll explain where to use downstrokes, upstrokes, and palm muting to match the song's feel. Keep each practice session short and focused for steady progress. Next, we'll refine timing and dynamics to bring the song to life. Count beats aloud as you play and emphasize the downbeat to lock rhythm with any drummer or backing track. Introduce softer dynamics in verses and stronger attacks in choruses to create contrast. Add tasteful slides and hammer-ons where appropriate, but keep them musical rather than flashy. I'll suggest simple variations that enhance feel without complicating the arrangement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.